Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Jack with Urban Abundance and I want to welcome you to my urban farm. And we're here today to talk about my top 5 favorite perennial vegetables to grow here in South Florida. Let's get into it. First on the list is Brazilian spinach. A lot of my clients ask, can we grow spinach here in Florida? And I tell them spinach likes to grow in the cold, so this is a perfect alternative for spinach. Next on the list is Katuk. This one is a total superfood. It's probably the most nutrient dense out of all of these, and it's absolutely delicious. A lot of people say it tastes like peanut butter. Next up is Okinawa spinach. This one's great. You could eat it raw off the plant, you could eat it cooked. A lot of my clients like to cook it up in stir fries. Next up is probably my personal favorite, longevity spinach. I put this in my smoothie every single day, and some people even say it's an alternative to diabetes medicine. So it's crazy good for you, and they even call it cholesterol spinach. Last but not least is Cranberry Hibiscus. I probably sell the most of these at the market every year because of its amazing flavor. If you put these leaves in your salad, it's like adding lemon juice to it. So that's my top 5 perennial vegetables, guys. Thank you for watching. I know there's a lot more. I would love to hear about them. Leave them in the comments below. I'd love to know about them and then grow them for myself. So I hope this video was helpful. Please, please, please go out and find these plants. You'll love yourself for it. Keep growing food at home.